guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Navdeepa Sir and today I'm gonna share all the things that I got on my birthday. So if you don't know, my birthday was on the day I launched the trailer, which is 13th of June. And yeah, today I'm gonna share all the gifts with you guys and yeah. Okay, so let's start with our first category, which is what I gifted to myself. So I gifted myself two dainty necklaces. It's very pretty. So the first one is this evil eye necklace, heart shaped, and it's very pretty. It was for 250 rupees and the second one is for 300 as it includes earring as well. It's in the pink stone pendant. And these earrings are also quite pretty. So I really like them and I got this from Money the Golden Art Instagram. So I will link it in the description box so you can find it. Category, my favorite, my family, what they gifted to me. Now I loved what they gifted to me. So this is a very pretty top that they gifted to me. The sleeves are so good, like the printed sleeves. I really liked it. It's awesome. Moving to the third thing that they gifted me is this pretty skirt. Now I have never wore this skirt, sorry it's ulta. This skirt is very pretty. I paired this together and a lot of people thought that it was one piece but it was not. So yeah. Moving to this one. This is a daily jogger. Now I really love joggers now. I don't know why but they are very comfortable. This is, the shade is so good. I really like the color in the shades mixing. Moving to the sweatshirt that I got. Not sweatshirt but the long sleeves shirt. This says self-care isn't selfish and I think it's true. So it's very pretty. Then this, it looks like a Tapori shirt but it's not. ये काफ़ी प्रिटी प्रिंटेड टॉप है एंड आई थिंक ये गोवा बीच जैसा वाइब्स देता है. सो गोवा आई विल बी कमिंग मे बी एंड आई रियली गॉट दिस लाइक अ वेरी सिंपल plain short. This is so dark and so pretty colors in it. I really like it. So all this stuff are from Kodal in case you are wondering. You can get, I think so, in any branch of it. So yeah. Now moving what my cousins gave to me. So my bhabhi gave to me this really pretty, oh my god, okay sorry, this really pretty one piece. My bhabhi gifted this to me. The sleeves are so good and so nice. It looks really pretty on me. And ये एक belt भी है but I don't know how to wear it nicely. So मैं भाभी को पूछूंगी. Now this was all the family gifted to me. But कपड़े ही नहीं हैं but मेरे family ने मुझे बहुत surprises भी दिए हैं. वो आए मेरे घर पे बहुत मज़े किए. And also a lot of my cousins gifted me so much of chocolates that I've eaten them and I'm mochi now. Okay, what my friends gave to me. So one of my childhood friend gifted me a lot of couple of things actually. So first is this diary. Now I am obsessed with stationery items. So she gifted me this diary. It says be fearless and I've already started writing all my YouTube ideas in this. And she also gifted me this portable diary which I can carry. It's very pretty and very cute. Then she gifted me these two nail polish. One is the classic black and other this pinkish nude, pinkish, very pretty. I love this. Now currently I am wearing a lot of scrunchies in my hand and I love it. So she gifted me 3 scrunchies. One is black, one is pink and one is this golden cream color. I really like the golden cream, is so pretty. Now also she gifted me 2 earrings. So this one is very nice golden hoops but accidentally one was already broken, other is not. So yeah, एक जो पेयर है, not one pair but एक जो earring है वो टूटा हुआ है, तो हम कुछ नहीं फोटोज में एक वाला यूज कर देंगे. And the last pair is this. This is very pretty. It has a circle and a rectangle. This is very new. I have not seen these kind of earrings anywhere. Now, bunch of my friends came home and they surprised me. I will put a picture of mine with the decoration. And they gifted me this cute pillow, and this is a very furry pillow. इस साइड पे काफ़ी memories है and I love that. काफ़ी furry and I really like that. And yeah, also one of my friend who lives in my building gifted this me cute Lakme Sun Expert. It's very pretty. So yeah, that was all about this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did like this video, share this video with your family and your friends, and also comment कर दो कि आपको अपने बर्थडे के दिन क्या चाहिए, ताकि आपके फ्रेंड्स या फैमिली पढ़ सकते हैं, आप गिफ्ट कर सकते हैं. And also subscribe